Yet again, Scumbag Joe is over there in Hawaii trying to compare a house fire he had, which I had too in my lifetime, and I would never compare them to the Maui fire. Then people lost the whole of their whole life and existence. Not a fucking house, and have millions of dollars to back it up just to go buy a new one. He's a scumbag. And still has yet to change the $700 one-time fucking payment to the people of Maui, given out by FEMA. $700 over there goes about as far as about maybe 2 days, if they're lucky. And it sure in the hell ain't going to pay for no house. It sure in the hell ain't going to pay for no loss. It ain't going to pay for no damages. It ain't going to pay for people's... It ain't even going to pay for a funeral for the people who lost family members. He's a disgusting son of a bitch. And then 2 weeks after... excuse me. 2 days after the fire is out, the scumbag asked for $22 billion to go to Ukraine with. You got places in California that are flooded out. Hell, you can't even get down I-10 right now. It's closed down because of all the mud that's on it. Or anything else. But is there any government coming to help these people? No, but he wants to send $22 billion to fucking Ukraine. Wake up, people. Why aren't you fucking living over this shit? These are American citizens that he's fucking with. You're next. Wake up.